assuming you know how to make pickles and relish, so I'm not gonna go through that process. It's super simple and there's a lot of videos and recipe online. It's super easy. So on the left side, I add no water when I'm fermenting. I just add dry spices, chilies, turmeric, paprika, and peppers. On the right side, same, but I add herbs and lemon basil right there. And you can also add ginger, adds very great flavors. Make sure you pack them very tight and drizzle the olive oil on top, and then just check on them once in a while, push them down because they will expand and makes a lot of bubbles. And within a few days, like 3-4 days, you can eat them because it will be sour by then. And leave them in the fridge, they will stay crunchy that way. It's really good. So these are the two that I ferment. One without water, the other one has water, the round one. The one without water has so much better flavors. So the round one has herbs and it doesn't taste that good. It has water, not much flavor, it's just plain. But the one on the left side, that was so delicious. It's spicy, sour, and crunchy. It's really good. The first 1 to 2 years, I just fermented with water and salt, brine. It did not turn out well. The vegetable was rotten and it smells really, really bad. And the vegetable were not sour. So my husband's side of family, they fermented with a lot of spices and oil. It was very surprising to me, and he showed me how they did it. And it was sour and it did not rot. It smells pretty good. So I started experimenting with that by just adding water on the bottom and oil on top, and even with that it turned out really well. Just make sure you pack them really, really tight. That's the trick. I hope you enjoy oil fermentation. It's pretty cool. It will save you a lot of vegetable. Let's recap to make the fermentation so easy. So you add a lot of spices and salt. Make sure you mix them really well. Pack it really tight. No water. They will create its own juice, especially cucumber. And if there's not enough water, then you can add water. Especially beans. They don't produce a lot of water. So what you want to do is add water halfway through, and then after that you just add oil on top, and then you just keep checking on them once in a while, like a few days, and make sure you pack them down. They will create a lot of bubbles, and within a few days, less than a week, they will start getting sour. And then after that, you just keep them in the fridge and enjoy them. That's it. Super easy.